three instances, and some are multiple. So first one is when he ascended. Prophet Muhammad has a journey where he ascended toward heavens. He saw Jesus Christ. This is agreed upon. Hadith Bukhari and Muslim. Muttafaqun alayh. Bukhari and Muslim agreed upon. He met Jesus on the second heaven. Very beautiful hadith. This is very beautiful hadith. It's 3247 of Bukhari, and Muslim, I believe, is 164. Prophet Muhammad said that I met not only Jesus. He says, this is Sahih Bukhari, the number is 3247, yes. He says, I was on the second heaven, and the door was open for me, and the gatekeeper said, Man hada, who is this? Qala Jibreel. Gabriel said, it's me, Gabriel. And the gatekeeper said, who else is with you? He says, I have Muhammad with me, Muhammad. Okay. قِيل وَقَدْ أُرْسِلَ إِلَيْهِ قَالَ نَعَمْ. Yes, he's been appointed, he's been asked for, he's been sent for, so he's coming. And he says, then he entered, he saw Yahya, John the Baptist, the cousin of Jesus. Yahya wa Isa wa huma ibna khala. Qala hada Yahya wa Isa fasallim. Allah, fasallim alayhima. Fasallamtu. Says, then Gabriel said, you are allowed to greet them, talk to them, you can. Prophet Muhammad greeted them on the second heaven. So John the Baptist, or John, Yahya, and Jesus Christ, Prophet conversed and said, Assalamu alaikum, salam, to peace be with both of you, the Muslim greeting that we do. And then they said, thumma qala, they both said, marhaba, marhaban bil akhi salih wal nabi salih. Welcome, welcome, oh noble brother of ours, oh noble prophet of ours. So righteous prophet, noble prophet, beautiful. Righteous person, or a noble and righteous prophet, beautiful. So this is one encounter. So three encounters I've mentioned. The second one is in Jerusalem. Prophet traveled to Jerusalem also during the night, and he said, I led the prophets over there. This is in the Book of Faith in Sahih Muslim, and also in 3249 of Imam Tirmidhi's collection, and 328 and 172 of Sahih Muslim, Book of Faith. Prophet led them in prayers. Jesus was one of them who actually have prayed behind Prophet Muhammad. A congregation of the prophets of God met Prophet Muhammad in Jerusalem. This is beyond us. We cannot even understand how mind-blowing and wondering this whole thing is. Jesus is a sign of God, and Prophet Muhammad is a prophet of God, one of the great 5 prophets of God. So they're given this great thing. So Prophet Muhammad leads them in congregation. They pray behind him. That's the second encounter, second meeting. Third meeting is many times Prophet Muhammad saw Jesus Christ in his dreams, and even told us how he looks like. A lot of descriptions. Dreams where he has seen Jesus in present, in his dreams, and also in the same dreams he gave a prophecy of how Jesus will be coming down, and how he is even circumambulating the Kaaba. He visits the Kaaba, and how he will do Hajj. Yes, my brothers and sisters, he says Jesus will do Hajj. Three encounters. So the third one is multi-pronged. In the dreams, through the revelations, many encounters. This is Jesus Christ and prophets' encounters.